Alright, next one is me soon call you back.
My God.
That's my go-to.
That's the, like, me no know. Yeah, like that. When you're talking on the phone and you just want to get
that's
the person.
That's my go-to, I won't lie.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time?
A long time.
You know we're here for a good time?
A long time.
Go ahead and smash that like button for a new video right now, guys. And for a new video, I know enough people are going to vex with me come and give out people secrets because guess what? This video is called
Lies Jamaicans Tell.
Yes, you know, Jamaicans know if you tell good lie, you know. Them know how to tell.
Especially when they're trying to avoid somebody and they end up bucking up with the person and you have to make up something on the spot.
Yeah, and it just come off at the tip of the tongue. Whoop! You don't even think about it. Just we know if we just come up with the best lies. Before we get started, go ahead and smash the like button, comment down below, notification gang, notification squad, notification you don't know you're getting a shout out at the end of the video. My voice I go right now. Big up on your damn self. Go ahead and comment down a lie from a Jamaican that you know or you're Jamaican. So comment down below a lie that you love to tell. So
these are just going to be like the most common ones.
Yeah,
the most popular ones. So if you know any more, just comment down below and tell us what lies you use to get out of something that you don't want to be in. The first one is "me soon come."
G's and P's.
That mean you know you're not meeting the person for like the next hour.
I feel like this is what a Jamaican use like every day of them life. Like every day. You know, when somebody call me and they tell me me soon come, you know.
Every time Chad has to come for me somewhere.
Me say me soon come. Me tell
5 minutes, 5 minutes away. 5 minutes.
That time I'm on the couch or playing video games at that moment.
And I know you have to 1 hour later.
That's a big lie. That's one of the Jamaicans' top lies.
The next one is me no remember that.
Me no remember that. Anything like when something happened.
When you know you do it and you're trying to just...
Yes. Like if you even broke something, me no remember that. Me no remember that.
Or you did something with a girl and your friend calling you out.
What you talk about? Me no remember that. Damn, you're really hitting people right there.
This one you use most common when you don't want to go to work. You know I don't feel well. That's not only Jamaicans though, that's across the world.
I feel like, yeah, that's across the world, but that is like a really good common one that people
I use that all the time.
Even when it's like you don't want to go to a function, like people that you don't even like, you just don't want to go there. You just tell them one bag of excuse. That's basically how you tell them.
The next one is me lose my phone or me lose your number.
Basically,
you buck up in somebody that you was avoiding.
You know, them call you about 10 times and you don't answer your phone and them buck you up. And the worst feeling that you know, cause you know you them call you and you don't answer your phone. So it's like, what you gonna say now? What kind of excuse? And you come up with the excuse.
Or your phone stop working.
Me lose your number. My phone never that work, so I get a new phone. Which you have the same old phone. Cause when you look on the phone, it crack up and things. Oh, you say you get new phone and it crack up.
I think I used that one already.
You know you get catch.
Okay, the next one is when somebody begging money. You don't have no money.
I feel like me use this a whole heap of time. You know when you reach, like you come from America and you go down to Jamaica and them know you have the foreign cash. Them know you have the foreign smell. So them see you and like, yo, beg your money now. You can't lie, cause you just come from foreign, you must have money. So guess what? Me use the lie same way.
You don't even have to come from foreign.
Yeah.
No, I tell him just beg you some money and you just don't want.
Me just always tell him say me broke. Me tell him say me broke. Every time me tell him say me broke.
This one is a good one for you Jamaican men. When they say, are you alone me I talk to? You know that mean they have like 5.
I feel like Jamaican women know that lie.
That mean you have like 5 other girls that you're talking to at the same time, telling them the same thing.
Baby, you know so me love you. Me da give the world in a baby. When them have about 5 women. 5 women them have, you know, and then we say them thing then.
Well, that brings us to the next one. I'm a cousin.
I'm a cousin. What are you talking about? I know I'm my cousin. I know my girl.
That's how you know you just get caught.
Yeah, that's when a girl catch you and you there with a girl and she say, yeah, I'm a cousin. I'm a cousin. I'm a cousin.
Good thing you never used that one.
Me never get catch it.
Next one is, me not eat no food from morning.
Damn lie. I beg them, I beg a piece of your food. They want to know where you cook, so they want to eat some of your food. If you cook rice and peas and chicken, I'm going to lie to you and tell you say them not eat no food from morning. You know, so I like a piece of bun meat this morning with little cheese. That's all I'm going to tell you. Which they're lying. They just want some of your food.
Alright, next one is, me soon call you back.
My God.
That's my go-to.
That's the, like, me no know. Yeah, like that. When you're talking on the phone and you just want to get
that's
the person.
That's my go-to. I won't lie. I'll soon call you back.
Me soon call you back. No, but there's sometimes me really say it, like me mean it, but then again, me just not like chat on phone.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you like talking on the phone. I don't really like talking.
I don't like talking on the phone.
I mean, a good 10-minute conversation is good.
I will say I don't like
with
talking.
With your family.
Yeah, that's
with your family is different. If you don't see your family on a regular basis, I mean, you talk to them all the time.
It depends on who, really.
Yeah, but if the person can chat and you try to avoid them, you just say, yo, me soon call you back, boom. Pick up the phone, me soon call you back, boom. Don't get no call back till all 10 days till them call you back again and start talking to you again about the same.
Last but not least, me never have no credit for call you.
Me tell you, one of the biggest lie in Jamaica.
That I will soon call you back, just go hand in hand.
They go hand in hand. It's just basically when you don't want to chat to the person, them not get the memo of not calling you and chatting with you. So they basically just not get it. So you have to just keep breaking it. Use this one and use that one. But you know the one we love use is me soon call you back.
I think that's my go-to. Also, for all of these,
yeah.
That's my go-to.
Yeah, comment down below which one you guys use on a regular basis. Me use the one me say me soon come. Because honestly, we lied about that every day. We're never on time. We're never on time. Jamaicans are never on time.
That is that every single day.
Never on time. We're supposed to reach at 1 o'clock. We'll reach at 2:30. That's how we reach. We reach late. I just saw it go. But we are the life of the party. Big up to Jamaicans right now. Big up to all the Caribbean people right now.
Tell us lies that you tell.
Yes, and if you're in the Caribbean, comment down below what kind of lies you guys tell. I would love to talk about the kukum one, but I'm not going to talk about that. Big up on the damn self.
I don't know what you're talking about.
They know what I talk about. When Jamaica men lie about.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
You know what I talk about. People,
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, alright. Comment down below. Big up your damn self. Smash the like button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We love you guys. Thank you guys for the support. As you can tell, I'm talking right now with that voice gone. It just hit me a while ago. I was fine a while ago and my voice gone. So big up on the damn self. I want to say thank you guys for the support again. And we're gonna do notification gang time. Hang them time. Now it's time for notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Priscilla Abilio.
Big up your damn self. You're going right over here.
Yeah,
hope you didn't butcher your name. Go right over here. Second notification shout out goes. She was supposed to last. Second notification shout out goes to
Philetta Johnson.
Philetta Johnson, big up your damn self. You're going right over Daniel's head top right here.
And last but not least,
big up your damn self.
Chinwendu Chinwe.
Oh, hope you didn't butcher your name. Big up your damn self. You're going right over Daniel's head top right here. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, you got to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, then you'll hit the
bell.
Bell! Yeah, bell. I was gonna say MF. You know that word?
No.
MF, break it down. Comment down below if you know what I meant. But don't put that word. Don't put that word, just comment.
Oh, I get it.
Hit the MF bell, you know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. Alright, hit the bell right now. Comment down below, notification gang, notification squad. Comment down anything notification pregos. Because you know, we have a beautiful woman pregnant right now. Notification palm tree. Comment down below. Comment down below. Notification Chad is the best. Comment down below. Notification Danielle is the best. Alright.
Don't comment Chad is the best.
Thank you guys for the support again. We love you guys and we really appreciate you guys. We couldn't do this without you, so go ahead and subscribe if you want to be a part of this family. And yeah, I'm gonna go rest his throat. Whoa.
Yeah.
Pause. Boss, that never saw right.
And I'm like, yeah.
Alright guys, we love you guys. Thank you for everything you guys have done. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
Sayonara.
We talked about this. You're not supposed to sayonara. Like, do it better.
Sayonara.
Thank you guys again, and we are out.